Welcome, webheads! It's that time again for the most supersonic, hypersonic, and harmonic cybersecurity webcast on the internet. So welcome to Head in the Clouds. So take it away, Jules and Jay.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining episode 8 of Head in the Clouds. My name is Julie Haste along with Jason Weber, and we'll be your host today. Exciting to be filming in our new Austin location. In this episode, we're going to speak with our partner enablement wizard, Megan Mack, about our StarShot program. Megan is a solution specialist at Cloud Harmonics dedicated to Palo Alto networks. She brings 10 years of experience in partner enablement and training and is leading our StarShot program. So Megan, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you so much for having me.
So can you tell us, how is Cloud Harmonics helping partners accelerate their partnership with Palo Alto networks?
Yeah, that's a really great question, Julie. So Cloud Harmonics has a couple of different ways that we can help partners accelerate their Palo Alto business. One of the things that I want to talk about today was our StarShot program. So for our partners out there who haven't heard about StarShot, it is an enablement program on both the sales and the technical side that's really going to help our partners accelerate their Palo Alto growth, not just in terms of revenue, but in terms of knowledge. So graduation from the StarShot program is really going to give them, a really clear understanding of the Palo Alto product portfolio and how to sell that to their customers, and also have that technical knowledge and deep dive on those Palo Alto products.
So those sound like some really great values. What other kind of incentives, what sizes, what are some of the requirements around the program?
Yeah, so generally for StarShot, we would look for partners to have about 4 sales reps going through the program and then 2 technical engineers. Now, not every partner is gonna fit that mold, so really we can tailor the StarShot program to meet the needs of our partners. We do recommend a minimum of 4 sales reps and then 2 technical engineers, but we can certainly scale up if you have additional folks who want to go through the program.
And that incentivized, is that through no matter how big the team is, how small the team is? How's that work?
So we do offer some great incentives for StarShot. The incentives are limited to 4 sales reps and 2 technical engineers. So although if you have additional people who are going through the program, although they aren't going to get those incentives, they're still going to get a lot of enablement and support from our Cloud Harmonics team.
Interesting. So Megan, what role does the Cloud Harmonics team play in our StarShot program?
Yeah, so Cloud Harmonics plays a major role in StarShot. So our solution services team actually created the Starshop Platform. So StarShot is a platform through Cloud Harmonics where we're going to be able to track all of the certifications that our sales or engineers complete throughout the StarShot program. And we're also going to be the ones who are offering the incentives around StarShot. So whether that be for the sales or the technical engineers who complete the StarShot pathways, or whether it's the entire company at the end who's going to get some great MDF dollars to host a demand generation event, we're going to support it from start to finish.
Excellent.
So you said you help them with all of the certifications and tracking all of those. What other kind of training really sets StarShot apart from other enablement programs? Where does it really help the partner from not just a Palo Alto perspective, but from working with Cloud Harmonics?
Yeah, so I'm glad you asked that question, Jason, because obviously we all know that there are compliance requirements that go along with Palo Alto networks on an annual basis. But StarShot is so much more than just getting those certifications to meet the compliance goals. StarShot really truly is enabling a partner to feel comfortable recommending Palo Alto products, whether it be Strata, Cortex, Prisma, whatever it may be, offering all of those products to their customers and having those conversations with their customers and that deep dive into Palo Alto networks. So not only do we help in terms of the certifications required for compliance, we're also going to be offering specific enablement sessions that's going to go through things like capture the flag, security lifecycle reviews, best practice assessments. We're going to show our partners how to go through and complete those and be able to run those things for their customer base.
So you mentioned incentives earlier. Could you tell us a little bit more about specifically what incentives a partner might receive during and after the program?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's a couple different incentives. We know that StarShot has some certifications, there's requirements, and we certainly want to reward our partners for doing those things and getting those completed, because we understand it can be a heavy lift from time to time. So we do have basically a platform that we use. It's called Loop and Tie. It's a gift giving service. So we offer a Loop and Tie gift certificate to our 4 sales reps who complete StarShot, and then the 2 technical engineers who complete their StarShot missions. So they're going to get that Loop and Tie gift card, and then they're going to be able to select a prize of their choosing. Now, after the company graduates as a whole, so all of the sales team members and all of the technical engineers graduate, there's going to be some demand generation dollars offered to host an event for a partner's customer base. We have a pretty extensive marketing menu that our partners can choose from, so we can help them along the way there and meet their needs for their marketing event.
So that's all really interesting. I did hear something a little earlier I was curious about.
Sure.
So, we talk about StarShot, I've heard Strata a lot, and then you did bring up Prisma and Cortex. Does StarShot deal with specializations as well?
Absolutely. So StarShot has a platform for not only Strata, but also for Prisma, SASE, and Cortex that partners can take advantage of.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Well, Megan, I would really like to say I appreciate you being here today. Jules, as always, it's fun. And everybody else, feel free to reach out to us, head in the clouds at cloudharmonics.com if you'd like to hear more about StarShot or how to enroll. Thanks, and have a great day.